What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. The car is almost finished right now. If you haven't followed up on the channel, I posted a vlog recently where I did do the mock-up and the fabrication for the wide body. So this is basically what it is right now. It's almost done, technically done. Waiting on the bonnet here to get dried, and then I'm gonna install it back on the car. However, it could be a bit neater, but it is what it is. The parts that I had on it, or the parts that I used to do, this customization, I had to do a lot of cutting and sanding down and all that stuff. But it's done. Basically, waiting on the other parts to come through. There's a different ESC in this car, but stay tuned. I'll be talking about that. So just like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned. Table is messy, but you can understand why. As the car is still in some form of customization, have some few things to do with it. But this is what it is, So just like, share, and subscribe, leave a comment if you like the build, and have any questions you can ask about the build, feel free, it's no problem. And at the end of the day, I'm here to share my little secrets and tips that I use to get my cars looking these days. Even though it's not rocket science, if you're good at customizing and fabrication, I you just have an imagination, you can get this done. But let me know what you guys think, and stay tuned for more. The next time you see this car is going to be back up and running, so turn on your post notification bell so you can really see what this car is going to do. As I said, there's a new AC in the car, so stay tuned for that. And join the movement.